In today's video, we're going to learn how to fix a problem that most Windows 10 users suffer from, which is the automatic repair problem. This problem used to happen to me all the time on Windows 10, and today I'll show you how I fixed it in a very simple way and step by step. Before we start the explanation, I hope you support us by liking the video, because you will really like this video. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to all so you receive all the tutorials we upload. Let's start the explanation. Of course, this problem was happening on my laptop, as you can see here. Every time I turn on Windows, this problem appears: automatic repair. The Windows system keeps restarting on this screen and shows the message, "Your PC didn't start correctly," which means your computer did not start properly. Even if you restart the device, the same screen appears again. Now here, you will click on Advanced Options. You will see these options: Turn off your PC, Troubleshoot, and Continue. The first option, Continue, if you click on it, it tries to exit and boot into Windows. Let's try this option and click on Continue. But as you can see, the same message appears again. So we click on Advanced Options, then choose Troubleshoot. Here we have two options: Restart this PC, and the second option, Advanced Options. We will click on Advanced Options. You will see 6 options, and you should try them one by one depending on the last thing you did on your computer. For example, if you installed a new program, downloaded updates, or performed a Windows update, you should choose the option that matches the last change you made. For example, I will try this option, Startup Repair, which attempts to fix Windows before startup. This process takes some time, so I fast-forwarded the video to save time, but unfortunately the same problem appeared again. So again, we click on Advanced Options, then choose Troubleshoot. As we said, you try the options depending on what you last did, whether you installed updates, installed software, or deleted important files, from Windows or from Drive C. And based on that, you choose an option. For example, I will choose Uninstall Updates. After that, you will see two options: Reset this PC and Advanced Options. We will choose Reset this PC. Then you will get two options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Of course, we will choose Keep My Files. This option will reset Windows while keeping all your personal files, including photos, documents, and videos, any files on your device. But it will remove installed programs because a program might be the cause of the problem. After that, this message will appear. You will press F1 to continue the installation or the Windows reset. As you can see, the welcome screen appeared, and that means Windows will work again 100% without any problems. Just wait a little until Windows finishes installing, and it's very important not to restart the device during this process. As you can see now, the computer entered Windows normally without any problems. And that's it. This was today's explanation on how to fix the automatic repair problem that appears in Windows 10. If you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.